Equate each to k. So a is equal to 4k, b is equal to 5k, c is equal to 9k.
Add a plus b plus c is equal to 18k and a plus b plus c divided by 9k is 18k by 9k, that is equal to 2. Next, the same idea, equate each to k, cross multiply. Then add, you will get 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to k into a plus b plus c. So k is equal to 2. Square a squared, b squared, c squared. Then add a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to b plus c the whole squared plus c plus a the whole squared plus a plus b the whole squared divided by k squared and varum. Expand a plus b the whole squared formula use panni a squared plus b squared plus 2ab onnunukum expand. Then substitute k is equal to 2. Bring the term in a squared, b squared, c squared to one side. You will get 4a squared minus 2a squared, 4b squared minus 2b squared, 4c squared minus 2c squared, that is twice a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. So a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to ab plus bc plus ca. A by b is equal to c by d. Multiply both the numerators by x and denominator by y. Then use componentor rule. Then you have to multiply the numerator by a dash and the denominator by b dash. Then use dividend rule. Then
divide right in ratio structure.
The same idea, each ratio is equal to k, add a plus b plus c equal to 0. To prove PA plus QB plus RC is equal to 0, substitute for A, B and C. Everything will get cancelled and you will get 0. That's all. Hope this video is useful to you all. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.